Alright, I've been talking about getting these Givi Panniers on my 23 Street Triple RS for a while now. These Panniers are for a 2012 to 2017 bike. No one makes them for this bike, which is really annoying because I do a lot of riding and I need storage. So I bought them off eBay because Givi apparently doesn't make them anymore. I'll put the part numbers and the information in the video description. But what we had to do is this arm, this is a part of this arm, and it comes up and it connects down here. The problem was where it mounts, it was too wide and too high. So initially I was thinking maybe heat it up, bend it, and make it work. What I did is I cut the welds, disconnected this arm, mounted this piece, mounted the lower arms, figured out where I had to cut, which gave me this. And then I had my buddy Donnie TIG weld, and then we added the length that I cut off that went here. We added not only to add a triangle for more strength vertically in this direction, but now I have a little pocket so I can hook on, a padlock if I need something, or a carabiner, bungee cords. I use a lot of cargo nets. These I get off Amazon. Love these things. 2 or 3 of them. I have my shad side bags that I use. So I really wanted to get back to what I did on my 2017 Street Triple R. So here we have it. What I'm going to do now is I got to do some light sanding, and I'll respray it. But it does work. If you're lucky enough to find them, it can work for this newer gen bike. Again, I'll put all the part numbers in the description, but we are back to having storage on the bike, ready for the spring and summer.